Roy TV back again, another video. In this video we're going to be talking about making money online, because I know a lot of people have been wondering like how do I make money online. So I'm going to share y'all some ideas on how to make money online, legit ways how to make money online. So if you're new to my channel, please consider like, subscribing. So the first one, I'm going to just give y'all some real quick ways like you can make money online, and that's practically streaming. If you guys don't know, I stream on YouTube and stuff like that, but there's this app called Tag. I got a couple videos about it. You can literally stream online and people send you gifts. It's kind of like a dating app, so I was trying it out just to see what it was, and it was alright. But there's a lot of people that stream all day online and they make money on it. There's especially a lot of females on that app, like they're really winning because they make a lot of diamonds and stuff like that. So the requirements, you need at least 80,000 diamonds. If you guys don't know what I mean by that, is people send you gifts on the app. So it's a good way to make money. I think you make like $200 with 80,000, and it's like certain brackets of you got to hit and then you make more money. So that's just one of the reasons. You can start right now. You can just download Tag. This is not a sponsor. Another way to make money online is obviously like if you selling some digital like content. Like as far as me, I do music, so that's been pretty much a way I've been making money online through my second channel, Raw Inc. You can go check out my music videos. So that's definitely a way to make money online. You would basically have to have like a distributor like TuneCore or DistroKid to distribute your music and put it out online. So how you go about that is basically check out the websites, you know. Like I said, digital, TuneCore, DistroKid, but and then you have to create content, but there's a lot of money you have to put being an artist, so it's definitely expensive. So that's kind of like a harder route to do. So if you guys don't want to do that, you can always try Fiverr. Fiverr is a dope website. I use Fiverr for me, like if I need like graphic designs or logos or stuff like that. It's a good way to really get some logos and just basically anything. Fiverr is a good for buyer and sellers, but if you have creative talents or if you have like a skill, you can make money online on Fiverr, and you can definitely make. I see a lot of people got gigs on there, so if you get your gigs going and you're doing a good like people are buying it, like they're gonna leave good reviews because your work is good. Like your work should always speak for itself. So it's just a good little side hustle if you want to make some extra money online. So Fiverr is definitely a good thing. So far we got Tag, we got music, and we got Fiverr. So another one would definitely be selling digital form books. You can write a book. Always, this is always your talents can always make you money, whether it's selling books or selling a course. I know a lot of people are doing the course thing. This is definitely a good way to make money, selling a course like that, but you got to be really cautious on the selling the course. Make sure it's really legit. Don't be scamming people. Like I don't like people getting scammed. Like that's just not right. Like you know what I mean. So be careful who you buying your courses from, but it's a good way to do. If you're selling a course and it's real legit like information, like with me, I've been doing music for over 8 years, so I can give you guys some real gems on the music game. So if you're really selling a legit course, then yeah, go ahead, try the course thing out. It's definitely dope. Another way to make money online, of course, is starting a business. You know what I'm saying? Whether it's clothing brand or any business online, where if you're doing drop shipping business, is definitely a good way to start making money online, and really get the ball rolling. For me, I got a clothing brand, and I pretty much make videos on that, but it's definitely a good way to start it online. It doesn't take much to create a website. I think it's like you might need like 30 bucks up front. You got to buy your name, your brand name up front, and you know what I'm saying, and boom, you got a website going. It's 40 bucks. Now the internet's free. You got your phone, and you flood in the market with your brand, your product, and stuff like that. You can definitely bring in some sales over your stuff like that. So those are the real ways to make money online. I don't know if there's any other videos that you might have heard, but I know those are like the real legit. So if you guys are new to my channel, please consider liking, subscribing. If you want to hear some more gems on how to make money, entrepreneur, just anything like real estate, stuff like that, please consider liking, subscribing, and yeah, I'm gonna catch you on my next video. Pow!